Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Hawes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use your editor window when recording with MIDI tracks. Say you've got a track that you've recorded some drum beat to, or some drum kit, or some piano track or something, and say your note's a little off, or you forgot to hit a note. That kind of thing. I'm going to show you guys how to actually go to the editor window, and with your mouse you can add or take out notes, shorten them, that kind of thing. It's pretty sick. Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. So we're going to start off with the MIDI software instrument. It's this left square here. It's all lit up green. We're going to hit create. And this is our first track here. This is the MIDI instrument track, the default software MIDI instrument, okay? The classic electric piano. Okay, so first off, I'm going to go ahead and go up to Window, and I'm going to choose Show Musical Typing. Or you can also hit Command K on your keyboard and it'll bring it up. Okay, and so this is your computer's keyboard. I have another video showing you how to use this a little bit more in depth, but you can actually play. Let me put on the headphones. You actually play the MIDI instruments with this. Here's your octaves. Okay, I'm going to use this to actually record a track real quick, and then we'll go from there with the editor window and show you guys how to fine tune everything. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on real quick, and we'll count in and hit record. Whoa, that was bad. Really hard to play this thing. Let me do this. All right, close enough. Okay, so now we've got the tracks. Say the tracks, but you know it's missing a note, or it's missing some chords or something like that. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this bad boy right here. And what we're going to do next is we're going to hit E on our keyboard, or you can go up to this little pencil right here and click on that little thing, and it'll open this editor window here, okay? So now we've got the editor window up, and whatever track you have it on here, make sure you light up the track you want to see down the editor window, okay? So again, let me hit play. You'll see it go through and play it. We can actually grow this a little bit easier to use if you get a little bigger there. Okay, so say that first note, we don't want these first two notes, say. So what you can do is you can when you hold command on your keyboard, and it'll bring up this little pencil. Okay, now as you got to hold down the command on your keyboard to keep that pencil. Okay, so hold down command, and we're going to left click twice on this to get rid of this. There, it's gone. Okay, again, gone. Okay, so that's how you left click twice with your mouse and with the command down to get rid of any note. Okay, and here's a piano roll, so you can actually hear what notes, so you can know which little track thing it's on here. Okay, so again, let me hit play and see what it sounds like now. Okay, so and then say we want to add in a note. Okay, hold down command and click wherever you want to add that note in. So say we want to add a different note in. No, that's a bad one. And say. Yeah, so you get the idea. So you can actually just add anything in there. Let me left click to get rid of these again. Oops, moving too quick. All right, so say we want to add a longer note, like a sustain. You can hold down left click, or hold down command, left click, get your note that you want. Let me find the note. Right there, that's the note I want. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it down, and then you can pull it to lengthen the note. Or when you let go of the command, you can light it up like this, and then you can grab it and shorten it this way also. Okay. So let me hit play. Okay, and so we can make a chord if we want out of this. Oops. And you can actually grab it, pull it if it's the wrong note. Okay, pretty cool, huh? Okay, so you see you can do all that. Also, you can left click on your mouse and grab all this. You can say grab this. Whoops. Whoa. There, let me do this. Left click on your mouse and grab whatever you want. Say you want to get rid of a bunch at the same time. So let's just get rid of both of these. And you can now you can go up to your edit and cut. Get rid of those, okay? So say there's a bunch you want to get rid of all these. You can do that. You can line them all up and get rid of them, okay? So let me do that real quick and show you what I mean. Bam. Whoops. Let me hit redo cut and then cut. Whoops. I gotta light them up again. There we go. Cut. There we go. And say all of a sudden, oops, I didn't mean to do that. I want those back. You can go up here and undo cut and it'll bring them back for you, okay? You get the idea. I'm just showing you a little piece of it, but so this editor one is really cool, and there's more. You can just, this is just the beginners tutorial for this. You can really get in depth with this stuff, okay? The velocity, you can quantize it, all kinds of stuff. So a lot of fun. I hope it was helpful, guys. I'm Jeremy Hawes. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. See you guys.